truck won't start. Let's see what's going on. The first thing you want to check the fuses. Remove this cover and you start looking. Okay. So we find F21, engine direct ignition, and F21, it's right there. It's F21, so it's that fuse right there. And in order to check if the fuse is in working condition, we have to use a multimeter. I already set it for voltage and DC current right here. See that line and the other line? So we'll have to take and connect the black one to the frame of the vehicle. And we should get 12 volts. So let's see. That's the F21, one side, and then another side. And I'll just show you. 1 second. So F21, so it's touching the frame and it shows 1225. That's one side, and then we have to try the second side. And yeah, it's working, 1225. So the fuse is good. Now I think we're gonna check the batteries. Now we'll test the batteries if they are good or not. So I have a tool that is very inexpensive. I'll leave a link down below in my description. I advise you to purchase it. It's very handy. So it will show you if your battery is full, high, medium, good, low, dead. So let's check it out. It's very simple. The black to black and red to red. Let's see what is gonna show us. 12.6 medium. Yeah, so the batteries are not bad. They're still working. So the first thing I want to check is the connections on the batteries, and that we have all these build up here. It's a bad sign. We have to clean it up and clean all of them. But first, what I want to do, I want to check if they're all tight. Oops, that's probably the problem. We have one which is loose, probably from vibration. This one is tight. Yeah, so we have one loose. I just want to see if it's working. Let's see if I tied it, and I'll try to start the truck and see if that's the problem. So now let's see if it's gonna start. So this is it. That's the problem. So probably what you should do first thing is just to check all your connections at the batteries, and then check the fuses and do all other steps. First thing, check the connections. So now I will take everything apart here and I'll clean all the terminals. I'll put it back all together, and after that I'll use battery protection spray. And I'll leave a link in the description down below, so if you want to use it, it's a good idea. Now it's time to clean all that stuff. So now it's everything clean and dry. So what I don't like, I have the plastic one here I don't really like it because this one got loose. So I'll use the metal one on the main cable that it got loose last time, and it's much easier to tighten it with a wrench. I'll try to find to replace them, to put all metal, but the ones that they go to the truck, I'll put steel ones. So 1, 2, 3 cable.
This one. There's the metal as well. One more. And then we have left. I don't know, this does not look original. We're left with the plastic ones. Now, don't over tight so I don't break the rod inside the battery. See what I'm talking about? Yeah, plastic ones are not good.
So now it's time to spray. Just like that. And they repeat it for 8 more times. That's it, guys. And I'll show you how it starts after I'm done here. So I cleaned and sprayed everything, looks much better, and I would like to test the batteries one more time to see. I'm just curious because at that time ignition was on for like 10 minutes. It drained a little bit the batteries, so now their ignition is off like for, I'd say, 30 minutes. It shows batteries are full and 12.8, so they're good batteries. And let's see how it's gonna start. Perfect.